do have the intent to go out there and kind of look over the equipment and kind of point out some of the things that we talked about in here. So I'm going to kick it off with the slideshow. We'll run through this real quick. Now, you guys do have a training presentation, or a training handout in front of you. If you don't, there's a stack of them on that back desk back there. If you guys can, just get one of those, look through it. There's some pretty good information in there. There's some drawings of the equipment so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like if you haven't seen it already. There's a maintenance table in there that kind of covers the maintenance on the equipment and those requirements. Up here, which I'm going to pass these around, these are actually the O&M manuals for the primaries and the secondaries, so you guys can kind of flip through these if you want. Take a look at them, just kind of see how they're set up, how the table of contents is set up, stuff like that. And lastly, if you haven't signed the train-in muster sheets, the sign-in sheets on the back table, please do so before you leave. So we're going to jump right into this. All right, so first slide, a little bit about myself. So again, my name's Tom. I've been with Coosters Water for a little over 7 years now. Started out doing this stuff every day, just traveling around doing rebuilds, repairs, startups, that sort of thing. A couple of years ago, I took over on the field service management side of things, and I've been doing that for the last 2 years. So these days, I ride a desk more than an airplane seat. I kind of run the show from the back office down there in South Carolina and coordinate service with customers and everything like that. So before I came on to Coosters, I had a couple other field service gigs. I worked with Caterpillar down in North Carolina, out of Charlotte on their advanced electrical services team. I did power generation and distribution work with those guys. Before that, I was with a company called Eastern Controls, which you guys have probably heard of, and I was primarily a rep for all my actuators and Rexa actuators. So I traveled around and did field service on valves and actuators and their control systems. Before that, I was spent 10 years in the Navy. I was an aircraft electrician, and that's kind of where I kind of got my technical background from. Moving on from there, kind of give you guys a little bit of information about the company. So Coosters Water, originally founded in Germany in 1949. Their operations in the United States moved over here in 1974. We have been manufacturing what was originally textile finishing equipment in South Carolina ever since. That's where they set up operations, and they've been doing business down there since we got here. Kind of moved away from some of the textile stuff. As you guys can imagine, a lot of that textile finishing and manufacturing process went overseas, places like Indonesia, Taiwan, Vietnam,